Are you searching for dumpster rental near me in Pasco County, Florida? Look no further than J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Whether it's a home renovation project, a commercial construction site, or a community cleanup event, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures you'll find the ideal fit for your project. We are your trusted partner for reliable dumpster rental in Pasco County, Florida. Which size to choose? Our experienced team is always ready to help you make the best decision. Convenience is our priority. That's why we offer prompt and reliable delivery right to your doorstep. Here are some of our satisfied customers sharing their positive experiences. J&Z Dumpster Solutions made renting a dumpster so easy. They were fast, efficient, and their prices were unbeatable. I searched for dumpster rental near me and found J&Z Dumpster Solutions. They exceeded my expectations with their professional service. We'll swiftly pick up the dumpster when your project is finished, leaving your space clean and clutter-free. Our mission is to make your dumpster rental experience seamless and stress-free. Ready to get started? For reliable dumpster rental services in Pasco County, Florida, remember the name, J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Contact us today at 727-236-7077 or visit our website at www.jzdumpstersolutions.com. J&Z Dumpster Solutions, your partner in clean, efficient, and convenient dumpster rentals.